AR-7 Bear X or Bear X AR-7. What do you call it when you combine the Flechette Archery AR-7 loader with the Bear X Desire XL pistol crossbow? Whatever you want to call it, it's a winner. Combine the AR-7 Autoloader with the Bear X 60-pound draw pistol crossbow, and the result is a repeating pistol crossbow on par with the basic Stinger II or the Vlad. And it's about half the cost of those repeating pistol crossbows. And as you'll see in this video, it is as capable as either the Stinger and Vlad, outperforming the 55 or 60-pound version of those crossbows. Yes, you will have to spend a little time to put it together, but it is not difficult. Flechette Archery provides a very good YouTube video for putting it on the crossbow. The Bear X Desire even comes with a stringer string, making it easy to install the string. A speed loader is included and is adjustable for different diameter bolts. The speed loader is easy to load and holds the bolts well. Using it to load the crossbow is simple. Just raise the top of the magazine, then place the notch on the bottom of the speed loader into the pocket, and push down. The bolts fall into the magazine. Easy and reliable. There is a fixed sight etched in the top of the magazine. I found the sight to be adequate when shooting at 10 yards. A red laser sight is included with the AR-7 magazine. There is only one level of brightness, which is more than adequate for indoor shooting. It will work outside in the shade or in certain circumstances. It will not be usable in direct sunlight. The on-off switch is at the back of the sight. I found the laser sight relatively easy to sight in. For all the shooting in this video, the sight did not lose its setting. The sight comes with batteries, but they will deplete quickly, so turn it off between shots. It takes 3 LR41 button batteries. A 20-pack from Amazon is about $6. When initially adjusting, align it with the fixed sight first. Being able to wax the string is essential. Fortunately, the magazine is designed so that this can be done easily. Access to the entire string is achieved by just loosening the one screw at the back of the magazine, then pivoting the magazine up. When done, lower the magazine, pushing the safety forward and then tightening the screw. Now we're going to test the system. By shooting 3 bolts each of 9 types of bolts, we will determine how well the crossbow system handles the bolts, fires the bolts, and as well see how the bolts perform relative to each other. After shooting hundreds of bolts with a variety of crossbows, I've learned that not all bolts are equal in performance. Nor are crossbows. So, some bolts work perfectly with some crossbows, and likewise the opposite is also true. Bolts in the test are 9 brands or types of bolts, all available from Amazon as well as other vendors. You will watch as the bolts are shot, and we'll evaluate once we're done. A quick rating of the groups. Regarding the grouping of the various bolts. This video is not conclusive evidence of how the different bolts will perform. Using only 3 shots and one person's shooting ability is not proof of poor performance. On the other hand, where there was a tight grouping, it could indicate that those bolts behave consistently. The conclusion is that this combination works extremely well. It performs much better than expected. The loader worked flawlessly. No jams in the magazine. No misfires. None. The laser sight was a revelation. Once sighted in, it was accurate and made the shooting process easier and fun. The other surprise was the Bear X Desire XL tactical pistol crossbow. It is advertised as having a 60-pound draw limb, but it shoots like an 80-pound draw pistol crossbow. Check the stats in the spreadsheet. Bolt speed is much faster than comparable speeds of other crossbows with 50 to 60-pound limbs. They match closely with the velocities obtained with the Alligator 80-pound draw pistol crossbow. This crossbow is definitely more accurate than the Vlad. I hope you have found this video to be helpful. If so, please press the like button below.